Good day everyone. Welcome to this educational series on Exercise Therapy 1. I am Dr. Praveen Vasanthan. Through this playlist, we will be exploring the fundamental principle that forms the basics of therapeutic exercise in physiotherapy practice. That begin our journey into the science and heart of movement. Welcome to playlist Exercise Therapy 1. Today we are going to see about the mechanical principles that are applied in human movement. Human body follows the same mechanical laws that governs motion and balance in physics. Understanding this principle helps physiotherapists analyze posture, design exercise and improve movement efficiency. The major principles which governs human body are namely gravity, equilibrium, planes and axis, motion, levers, pulleys and springs. Today we are going to concentrate on gravity and equilibrium. Gravity. So gravity is a natural force that pulls all the object and human body towards the center of earth. Gravity has an influence on human posture, balance and movement. It is a muscle work constantly needed to eliminate this gravity and hold the human body in upright posture. In exercise therapy, gravity helps as a resistance to strengthen the human muscles. Understanding gravity helps physiotherapists to design exercise for the rehabilitation and postural correction purpose. Center of gravity. Center of gravity is an imaginary balancing point where the body weight can be assumed to be concentrated and equally distributed. It is usually symbolized as COG. It is a point exactly at the center around which the body mass rotates freely in all directions. It is also called as center of mass. Anatomically, the point can be represented as the point of insertion of all three cardinal planes, namely frontal, sagittal and transverse plane. The center of gravity can be located within or outside the body depending upon the body's configuration and position. When the body is in uniform, the line of gravity lies within the object. When the body is not in uniform, then the center of gravity lies outside the body. Location of center of gravity in human body. In human, at newborn, the center of gravity lies above the umbilicus. At the 6th month of age, it lies at the 6th thoracic vertebra. At the age of 2 years, it lies at the level of umbilicus. At the age of 5 years, it goes below the level of umbilicus, and when we become adult, it lies or it positions anterior to the second sacral vertebra. Line of gravity. Line of gravity is an imaginary vertical line that passes through the center of gravity. The line of gravity is important to determine whether the body is in stable or unstable position. If the line of gravity lies within the object or a person, then the object or person is said to be stable. When the line of gravity lies away from the object or person, then the object or person is said to be unstable. Base of support. Base of support is the area beneath an object or a person that includes all the point of contact with the supporting surface. Then we are moving towards equilibrium. So equilibrium is a resultant when the force acting on a body are typically balanced or the body is remained at the rest. This equilibrium is divided into two, which is static equilibrium and dynamic equilibrium. Static equilibrium is a state where the body is at rest or not moving at all. Dynamic equilibrium is a state when the body is moving but remains balanced. Factors which are affecting equilibrium. There are certain factors which has impact on equilibrium, namely base of support, mass of the body and position of the line of gravity. The base of support, as wider the base of support, the equilibrium and stability will be more. If the as more the mass increases the stability. Position of line of gravity, as we previously seen, if the line of gravity lies within the base of support, then the body will be in equilibrium or stable. When it lies away from the body or outside the base of support, then the body is less stable or less in equilibrium. Thank you. Stay tuned for further videos to explore more mechanical principle which governs human body. Thank you.